The puppies are getting older now. They figured out how to come to the door of the cage when they're hungry. And even though their eyes aren't open, they're still very demanding. And they figured out that somehow that's the key to eating. That's little Rudolph there. And then Dancer's the one who's making all the noise. And then Dasher's over here. So I'm going to feed him now, if Sheila will stop jumping at my back. They're eating much better too. And they're eating more frequently now. They do look like a little litter of rats though, don't they? Hey, Rudolph. He still has his red nose. I think when the fur comes in, it won't be quite so red, but he still looks like a Rudolph. Okay, it's time for dinner.